Everlast siding is one of the best choices for durable, low-maintenance home exteriors, but fixing it when a contractor messes up can feel like a total nightmare. So, if your Everlast siding isn't looking right or feels poorly installed, first thing, check for gaps or misaligned panels because those little spaces let moisture sneak in and cause big problems. Next, don't just slap paint on top if the color looks off. Everlast siding needs proper cleaning and sometimes a special primer for paint to stick well. You gotta use the right tools too, like a fine-tooth saw for cutting panels cleanly and avoid cracking the siding. Make sure the contractor or you leave proper expansion gaps because this stuff expands and contracts with temperature, and if it's too tight, it'll buckle or crack. Also, double check that they sealed all edges and corners correctly to keep rain out. If you notice dents or scratches, you can usually buff them out or use a filler designed for vinyl siding. But don't wait too long or it gets worse. When reinstalling, always use corrosion-resistant nails or screws so rust doesn't stain your siding over time. Lastly, keep gutters clean and direct water away from the siding so your fix lasts longer without water damage. One of the biggest mistakes with Everlast siding repair is ignoring improper installation from the start, like missing those expansion gaps, which causes warping. Fix it by carefully measuring and leaving at least 1/4 inch space around panels. Another common issue is using the wrong sealant or none at all around windows and doors, which lets water in. Always use high-quality exterior caulk designed for vinyl siding to seal these spots right. Third, people often rush through cleaning before painting or fixing, leading to poor adhesion and peeling. Take your time scrubbing with a gentle detergent and rinse thoroughly before any repair work. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid place for homeowners looking to connect with reliable local contractors who know their stuff about siding and repairs. For contractors, it's a great way to find steady work by showing off their skills to people who seriously need help fixing things right.